Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about acidic property. Acidic property. Acidic property of hydrogen colloids. Acidic properties of hydrogen halides. Today acidic properties. Okay. First one HX and water. This acidic property solution of hydrogen colloid. So hydrogen halides are extremely soluble in water. Hydrogen halides are extremely soluble in water. X like that: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Hydrogen halides are extremely soluble in water. We get H3O plus and Fx minus. That is halide ions. These are hydronium ions. So hydrogen halide are extremely soluble in water. Okay. The solution of hydrogen halide are therefore acidic nature. The solution of hydrogen halides and the acidic nature, therefore acidic. HX and water and mix பண்ணது acidic. Therefore is known as a hydrochloric acid. Hydrohalic acid. The solution of hydrogen halides there are known as a acidic, is known as another hydrohalic acid. So hydrohalic acid. Okay. Hydrogen halides are extremely soluble in water due to ionization, another ionizations. Water separate hydronium ion and X minus produce பண்ணது. The HX I means HCl, HF, HBr, HI. So hydrogen halides. So are acidic, therefore acidic. So it's known as a hydrohalic acid. What is this hydrochloric acid? This hydrochloric acid HCl, HBr, XBr, and HI. Hydroiodic acids are strong acid. Strong acids. HCl, HBr, HI another strong acid. So only HF only weak acid. So hydrofluoric acid is a weak acid. Okay. So HCl, HBr, HI are strong acids. HF is a weak acid. Why HCl, HBr, HI is strong acid? Because of completely ionized. So completely ionized. Due to another completely ionized, almost completely ionized. So completely ionized ஆகிறதால strong acid சொல்றோம். So what is this? Weak acids means that partially ionized. I means equilibrium சொல்லுவோம். Okay. So strong acid HCl, HBr, HI. Okay. What is means that hydrochloric acid is a strong acid plus water gives H3O plus and Cl minus like that. இதே மாதிரி HCl plus water போட்டா completely ionized ஆகும். HCl completely ionized in water. So the HF means that hydrofluoric acid plus water. What means that equilibrium partially ionized H3O plus but fluoride. That is partially ionized. Equilibrium means that partially ionized. That is completely ionized. So HCl and HBr, HI a strong acid. HCl and HBr is a strong acid. Okay, but HF is a weak acid. I means that 0.1 molarity is a 10% ionized ஆகும். 0.1 molarity of HF is a solution is only 10%, only 10% ionized. Okay, 0.1 molarity of HF. That means that 0.1 molarity of HF is only 10% ionized. So what is means strong acid and weak acid? Strong acid completely ionized. Weak acid means that in water la partially ionized. HF is a weak acid. HCl, HBr, HI is a strong acid. Okay. But hydrofluoric acid is a at higher concentration. 5 molarity and 15 molarity HF is a strong acid. Okay, strong acid. Stronger acid. 5 molarity concentration, 15 molarity concentration, 5 molarity concentration or molarity of HF is strong acid. 0.1 molarity of HF is a weak acid, but at higher concentration, I means 5 molarity and 15 molarity HF is a stronger acids. Reasons due to at high concentration means higher concentration means at higher concentration means 5 molarity and 15 molarity concentration. Equilibrium involves okay, equilibrium HF plus water, so equilibrium involved at higher concentration H3O plus F minus. Equilibrium involves the removal of fluoride ions. Is important. The removal of fluoride ions here is important. It's affect the dissolution of hydrogen fluoride. மறுபடியும் என்ன செய்யணும், HF போய் affect பண்ணுது. So the HF plus and the F minus, the removal of fluoride is important. Is affect the dissolution of HF. Dissolution of hydrogen fluoride வந்து affect பண்ணி increase the concentration ion. HF2 ions. So increase the concentration of H plus ions increase பண்ணுது. Concentration of hydrogen ions. So with several salt form பண்ணுது. Okay, with HF means F na Na இருந்தா NaHF2, K இருந்தா KHF2. இதெல்லாம் NH4F na NH4F2ங்கற salt produce பண்ணுது. ஒரு stable salt produce பண்ணுது. பட் அதே other halides do not forms. Other halides இந்த மாதிரி form பண்ணாது. So இதெல்லாம் at higher concentrationல இந்த மாதிரி involve ஆகுது. What is the meaning that? So higher concentrationல மட்டும் தான் strong acid ஆக்ட் பண்ணும். அதுக்கு என்ன ரீசன் சொல்லிருக்கேன் பாருங்க. Hydrogen fluoride acid is a parts the ionicity. Okay, the fluoride is removed. Okay, equilibrium involves the removal of fluoride ions. Since it affect the dissolution of HF, affect பண்ணுது. So the dissolution வந்து affect dissolution இல்லாம தடுக்குது. So dissociation ஆகுனதா addition தடுக்கிறதுல and the H plus உடைய concentration increase ஆகுது. H plus உடைய concentration increase the concentration. So several type of salt produce பண்ணுது. Salt produce பண்ணுது. So this strong acid become பண்ணுது. Okay, other halides do not form the hydrogen dihalides. Okay, and hydrogen halides hydrohalic acid show the typical acidic properties. என்னெல்லாம் acidic properties எல்லாம் இருக்கு? What is this acidic properties? Hydrogen halides show the acidic properties. Acidic properties. Hydrohalic acid shows the acidic properties. The first one, it forms salt. With bases கூட salt form பண்ணக்கூடிய property. So இதுல acidic property. ஏன்னா hydrogen halide property. Hydrogen halide shows acidic property அப்படின்னு கேட்டா it form the salt with base and react with metals. So metal would react பண்ணா liberate the hydrogen liberate பண்ணுது. So இதெல்லாம் acidic properties. So இதெல்லாம் acidic property, liberate the hydrogens. And moist hydrofluoric acid only rapidly react with the glass and silicates. Yeah, react with metal கூட react பண்ணி liberate hydrogen பண்ணுது. So இதெல்லாம் acidic property. It forms salt form பண்ணக்கூடிய with base கூட salt பண்ணுவதெல்லாம் acidic properties. So next one, the moist hydrofluoric acid here, moist not dry. The moist hydrofluoric acid வந்து என்ன சொல்லலாம், silica SiO4 ல யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். SiO4 எப்பனா SiF4 plus water. சிலிக்கா கூட எட்ஜிங் பண்ணி ரியாக்ட் பண்ணுது. என்னது, ஹைட்ரோஃப்ளூரிக் ஆசிட் rapidly react with silica and glasses. Rapidly react பண்ணக்கூடியது. HF. So silicon tetrafluoride. Oxygen 4. Hydrogen 8. Sorry, SiO4. Sorry, SiO2. So இங்க 2 போட்டுக்கலாம். இங்க தான் SiO4. SiO2 silica. ஃபார்முலா வந்து SiO2 இங்க 2H2O. So 4HF. Okay, சரியா போயிடும். நெக்ஸ்ட் அதே ஹைட்ரோஃப்ளூரிக் ஆசிட் HF பிளஸ் கிளாஸ் Na2SiO3 சோடியம் சிலிகேட். What is this? Na2SiF6 plus water. ஓகே ஆக்சிஜன் 3. ஸோ இங்கே 3 போட்டுடலாம். ஹைட்ரஜன் 6 ஆயிரும். ஸோ ஹைட்ரஜன் 6. Fluorine also 6. Any 2. Okay. The hydrofluoric acid doesn't store in the silica bottle and glass bottle because of etching on the glass. ஸோ ரியாக்ட் பண்ணி இது மாதிரி என்னது ஃபார்ம் பண்ணக்கூடியது கிளாஸ் கூட ஹைலி ரேட்லி ரியாக்ட் பண்ணக்கூடியது என்னது மாய்ஸ்சர் ஹைட்ரோஃப்ளூரிக் ஆசிட். மாய்ஸ்சர் ஹைட்ரோஃப்ளூரிக் ஆசிட் டஸ் ability react with silica and silicates. Silicates means that glass. So அதெல்லாம் hydrofluoric acid doesn't store in the glass bottle because of etching on the glass and react with the glass. ஸோ அப்படி கூட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கலாம்.